Hello. We are on.
This angle makes my face look really wide.
Well, the very edges of it, it's called anamorphic.
Can you move it so it's not?
Hey everybody, we are on our way to go pick up an engine block for Kuiper. It's rebuildable. It's already been inspected by the machine shop who is going to be doing the work. It was kind of disheartening when both of the cases that we had turned out not to be usable for this. But this is going to be good. This is going to be the kind of a crucial element, don't you think?
Yeah.
All right,
It's pretty difficult to drive a car without without an engine.
Yeah.
For a mustache bar.
Yep.
They'll put it into a Type 2, and then it's got that for the dipstick relocation for a Type 3.
Okay, but that can stay there.
Yep, it can stay there, stay capped. There's no reason to undo it going into a Type 1.
Okay. Nice. See, Claire, this is what we need to have. We need to have this type of setup with all the toolboxes and. Isn't that a cool car?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, that's fine.
I wonder if you had if you have a loose wrist pin.
That's what I'm thinking. I think my wrist pins might be worn down a little bit because.
And that one still slides through in spite of that little mark on it.
Yeah.
In fact, if you want to take that wrist pin with you, and if they're fine, don't worry about it. Just no. Dang it.
Okay, so these are rods. You already know that because you've taken them off of the other one. This is what I'm talking about here. This is called a bushing. And when I was testing out the ones that we took off, it seemed like it was a little too loose. But these ones seem pretty nice. That's good. It's nice and... So,
Do you ever think about the fact that you have fingerprints?
yes, sometimes I do think about fingerprints.
It's weird.
So we just purchased that. Now we're gonna go on our way home, and if Claire is okay with it, we might stop off and get something. What are you hungry for?
Food.
Taco Bell?
Food.
Is Taco Bell food?
Technically, by definition.
Okay. You already had burritos yesterday. So life's good. We got an engine case we can work with now. I might not have to go buy some rods from him or a camshaft. We'll see.
Said I wish I had more band shirts, but people never make merch, and it's like, why? Why is there only like 5 bands I know that have merch?
to know more bands, that's all.
Because most of the bands I know aren't well known, probably. That's probably why. They're like, they don't think they can make the sales. But they would make at least one sale. So I would freaking buy a t-shirt.
Yeah. So here's the engine block that we got. Engine case. It's got 10mm studs. It's already been inspected by the people who are going to do the machining. Yeah. It's already been through a parts washer, but it looks like it still needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I was hoping this part right here would have been filled in a little bit, but I guess that's what this kind of does too. I'm not sure what this is a factory replacement, so there is nothing here. There's no engine code for it. Here, so having a part here. The sump area looks good. That was the big worry before with the AH case. Well, looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Of course, it's going to have to be machined. Yeah, so I'll have to clean these up. I like them so they're all rusty, but yeah, gotta clean up all these threads. So yeah.